Hello, this is a little treat we got here, a little relic of a clipper made by John Oster. The exact age of this, I would assume it's over 50 years old. It was created in 1923 rotary motors, but I don't know exactly when this model was created, but we're gonna go down to the table and work on this. So this is a really old clipper. So it's got a screen around here, screen in the back that sucks in air to cool the motor. It's got these little oilers in here to oil the gears. So I've worked on probably 100 of these in my life. So we're just gonna go ahead and just estimate this. It runs, that's good, so it's gonna run when we're done. The cord's kind of cut up. We're gonna see if he wants a new one of those and just do a basic service on this, check the brushes and sharpen the blade. So this is a large blade that has a guide mounted to it, so it still doesn't really hold the tension. There will still be a tension bolt to hold it together, but it's a pretty good design, a little harder to sharpen because you got to take all this apart. So this is really cool. Instead of having gears, it has a link and a lever that goes on it to the block. Really cool. Here's the tensioner, the bolt that goes on top. So I'll re-lube all this and make sure this has no play in it, which it has very little play, so that's good. It won't need any parts because there are none. So it's just like an Oster A5. This is probably where the design came from. It's got a gear armature. Anyway, it has a gear, and then it has a link, and then it has a lever and a block. And that's basically it. So we're gonna check the brushes, tighten up this switch a little bit. There's a little play in it, and then we're gonna put it back together. Nicely freshed and lubed and sharpened, and it should work like a champion. So I noticed this bearing is kind of locked up. We'll fix that though, re-lube it. So I cleaned the commutator. I'm gonna fix this bearing. It looks like there was a little rub on there. We cleaned out the field here. It looks nice and beautiful. This thing's gonna run like a champion, I promise. We'll get this going. Okay, so I oiled it a little bit to break it free, break up some of that grease, and then I put new grease in it. And I don't think these bearings are supposed to be sealed, but it still works great, and none of the balls are broken and the housing's not, so luckily he got it serviced so there's no additional damage. The bearing's not wobbly or anything, so we're gonna just let it go. It looks good. He took really good care of this clipper. I really like this clipper. It takes longer to work on, which kind of stinks, but it's well built, that's for sure. Nice and sturdy. So I really like these parts. Really good quality metal. Everything is really perfect on this clipper. The customer treated it really nice. He probably oiled all his blades, kept that tension knot all the way down, and look, he still's got a really good machine, running machine. So let's put it back together. Alright, so we're gonna show this working. No play in it. A little wool on this block. Feels nice. I'm gonna plug it in and hopefully we don't catch on fire. Please don't try this at home. Success. Now we're gonna put it back together. Alright, here we go. I hope it works or it's going to be super embarrassing. See you later. Thank you for joining me on this wonderful adventure. It was so much fun.